Greetings, Navizen. It has been an exacting week. Navizen, the fourth multilateral naval exercise Komodo 2023 also draws near. I'm Sergeant Karesa with the Navy Weekly News. The Chief of Indonesian Navy, Admiral Muhammad Ali, participated in the 70th Asian Navy Chief Meeting in Manila. A number of agreements were reached, including the importance of Asian interstate collaboration to achieve mutual goals. The annual meeting between Asian Navy Chief Meeting held the theme Synergy at Sea, Regional Cohesion for Peace and Stability. This activity was carried out to discuss, exchange opinion, and formulate effective measures in addressing the challenge of regional maritime security. The Chief of Indonesian Navy, as the head of delegation, shared his perspective and potential efforts the Indonesian Navy could do in advancing ASEAN Maritime Security Cooperation, as well as sharing experience and initiative to strengthen the synergy between the Asian nations, especially cooperation between the personnel in exercise, education, workshop, seminar, strategic dialogue, and maritime cooperation, to increase mutual understanding and advancing peaceful solutions to address the challenge and threats in the region, as well as keeping the sustainability of maritime environment to maintain the maritime resource and sea biodiversity. The Philippine Navy and Indonesian Navy warship carry out coordinated patrol at border waters. The bilateral cooperation in keeping the border waters involving respective Navy elements, namely KRI Escolar and BRP Artemio Ricardo, lasts for 10 days since early May. A number of exercise series was held across the sea to the border waters of both countries. After carrying out the coordinated patrol, both elements continue their sailing with patrol of each sector. This joint exercise was carried out in the order of secure in border, as well as supervising the waters between the Philippines and Indonesia from illegal conduct such as illegal fishing, smuggling, and other crimes. 3 days visiting Indonesia, the Japanese maritime self-defense naval vessel JS Kumano will carry out a number of activities in strengthening Indonesia-Japan bilateral relations. The arrival of Japanese naval vessel JS Kumano to Indonesia was welcomed by the Deputy Commander of the 3rd Main Naval Base, Captain Navy Wisnu Kusardianto, as the representative of Indonesian Navy at the 2nd GICT port, Tanjung Priok, Jakarta. The Japanese naval vessel JS Kumano is Mogami-class frigate commanded by Commander Sakurai Atsushi. The vessel's agenda during its visit in Indonesia was coordinated by the Indonesian Navy and Japanese defense attached. Among them was to halt limit open ship, cocktail party, and several other activities. Mutual visit by sending naval vessel is a routine activity both Navy in order to strengthen the diplomatic cooperation between Japan and Indonesia. A number of students in Maumere, East Nusa Tenggara, learned of the maritime study from Indonesian naval vessel KRI Teluk Yutefa. KRI Teluk Yutefa is an Indonesian naval vessel under the fleet of the Military Sealift Command, who had just finished carrying out the operation, transporting personnel and material for the 40th ASEAN Conference at Labuan Bajo. Stopped by for a while at the second port of Maumere Port, East Nusa Tenggara, for supply restocking. The arrival of the landing ship tank vessel was used by the student of Sailing Vocational School, Educational Foundation Rise Maumere, to learn about the naval study from the crew of the KRI Teluk Yutefa, who humbly led the student toward vessel facility. The students were very enthusiastic to know more and ask about the technology on board this domestically produced vessel. This visit became an outdoor learning activity as some material they learned in class would be practiced. The educational worship tour not only occurred when the vessel leaned, but also when the vessel was posted outside of the base to carry out duty in order to let the locals take closer on the Indonesian naval vessel. Bravo Zulu, to the 2nd Fleet Quick Response Team of Nunukan Naval Base, who successfully thwarted the attempt of illegal smuggling through speedboat containing a number of illegal and non-taxable press of used clothes and cosmetics from Malaysia at the Indonesia-Malaysia border. The success of the joint team consists of the 13th Naval Base Tarakan Team, a Maritime Intelligence Task Force Nunukan Naval Base, and Frogman Task Force. In this Karang Baruna 23 operation took place during the night patrol to secure Indonesia-Malaysia border at Nunukan Waters and Sebatik Island, North Kalimantan, which then caught a speedboat leaning at Pancang Lama Port, Sebatik Island. Upon inspection, inside the Gibrantara 99 speedboat, there were found 10 sacks or ball press of used clothes and 2,400 non-tax, various illegal cosmetics from Tawau, Malaysia. Then the case file and evidence along with the skipper with the initial A with 3 of the crew and 1 courier were submitted to Nunukan Regency Custom Office for further investigation. Well, Nevizen, that is our Navy Weekly News this week. And don't forget to turn on the notification to get notified for more updates. Follow us on our social media on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And keep on supporting us to serve the best for our nation. Jal Seva Jaya Mahe, the glory at the sea. I'm Sergeant Karesa, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again next week.